In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a calendar in Excel, making your date inputs easier and more efficient through a handy date picker tool. This feature will optimize the way you work with dates in your tables or forms, eliminating the hassle of manual entry. So if you've been wondering how to streamline your workflow in Excel, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to enable the Developer tab in Excel. It's not there by default, but don't worry, getting it to show up is a breeze. Start by clicking on File in the top menu of your Excel window. Once you've done that, look toward the left-hand sidebar and select Options. This will open up a new window with plenty of settings, but what we're interested in is the Customize Ribbon section. On the right side of this section, you'll notice a list of tabs. Find the one labeled Developer and simply check the box next to it. Once you've checked it, click OK. And just like that, you'll see the Developer tab appear alongside your other toolbars. With the Developer tab now visible, we can move on to installing the calendar. Click on the Developer tab, then head over to Add-ins. This will pop open an Office Add-ins window. From here, click on Store, which is where we'll find our calendar tool. In the store, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Calendar and press Enter. Scan through the results to find the mini calendar and date picker. It's usually right at the top of the list. Click Add to insert it into your spreadsheet. You now have an interactive calendar within your Excel document. Now that we've got the calendar, let's position it effectively. It's quite simple to adjust. Just click and drag it to wherever you want it on your sheet. Hold the left mouse button on its edge to move it around. If you need to resize it, use the small circle handles located at the corners of the calendar. Drag these handles until the calendar is the perfect size for your needs. Finally, let's put this calendar to work. Suppose we want to enter a start date for task 1 using our new date picker. Click on cell C3 where you want the date to appear. Now use the calendar to browse through the months and days, selecting your desired date. Once you've done that, you'll see your selected date automatically fill in cell C3. And there you have it. You've successfully added and started using a calendar in Excel. This small yet powerful tool makes tracking dates a breeze, enhancing both accuracy and efficiency in your daily tasks. Practice using the calendar to become even more proficient, and feel free to explore additional functionalities it might offer. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, happy excelling.